Welcome to this quick guide. In the next 2 minutes, I'll walk you through how to find the healthcare list from Northside Hearing, a trusted resource designed to connect you with reliable hearing care services and support. Northside Hearing created the healthcare list to make your search for services simple and stress-free. Instead of spending hours looking through scattered sources, the list gathers everything you need in one clear and convenient place. Here's how to get started. First, visit the Northside Hearing website. On the home page, look at the main navigation menu. You'll see an option labeled Healthcare List. Click on it, and you'll be taken directly to the section where all the information is organized. Inside the healthcare list, you'll find details about clinics, professional services, and hearing care options available in your area. Whether you're looking for hearing assessments, device fittings, or specialized treatment, the list provides reliable choices tailored to your needs. One of the best parts is how easy it is to use. The healthcare list is designed with clarity in mind. You can quickly scan through the options, view descriptions, and get essential contact information without confusion. Another great feature is that it's regularly updated. That means every time you visit, you'll have access to the most current providers, services, and resources, ensuring you're never left with outdated information. To recap, all you need to do is go to the Northside Hearing website, click on Healthcare List, and start exploring the available services. In just a few minutes, you'll find the right care options for you. That's how to access the healthcare list from Northside Hearing. Simple, reliable, and built to guide you toward better hearing health.